My name is Dr. Judith Cardenas, and I am facilitating the workshop, Redesigning the Learning Experience, Empathizing, Ideating, and Prototyping New Solutions for Today's Classroom. This workshop is a highly interactive workshop where we're together going to co-create new ways and strategies of empathizing and connecting with our students as the world continues to change. So we're actually going to go through the 3 phases that are the most common phases that are found within a design thinking or innovation framework. And this is a framework that's used with organizations such as Apple and Google and Airbnb and other organizations that are trying to redesign their services and products in a way that they can connect with their clients and customers, and for us, our students, in a more intimate way. One of the very first steps that we'll take together is we're actually going to go through a journey map of a student, how a student actually ends up inside your classroom, whether it's virtually or face-to-face. And we're actually going to go through a step-by-step customer mapping process that you can use quickly with all your classes and inside your organization. I spent over 25 years in higher education and in community colleges, specifically around 22 years. I'm passionate about finding new and innovative ways of serving people in a very diverse and ever-changing world. I have spent the last 7 to 10 years working with other innovators, helping organizations innovate everything from services to experiences. I'm passionate about this topic because in today's world, the context of how students learn is rapidly changing. It's no longer just about face-to-face or virtual. It's about how these changes that have impacted the people that we serve has influences their behaviors and their habits. We need to uncover that element in order for us to redesign a learning experience inside all our classrooms. And what we know today is that no students are alike. Every student comes to us with a diverse set of experiences and expectations. I think it's quite powerful for us to learn these techniques that other organizations have used to apply to reach an unmet need. And so that's one of the many reasons I'm very passionate about this work. This workshop is going to be quite different. We're going to innovate together in a collaborative whiteboard during our sessions. So we're going to have access to an innovation design thinking whiteboard. It's a virtual remote whiteboard where we actually will move together to empathize, to garner insights, to vote on best ideas, and to ideate and brainstorm together, and then actually prototype 4 or 5 ideas that you might want to start with your learning environment today. So it's going to be quite different. It's not so much a PowerPoint presentation as we're going to dive into a collaborative white space, and we're going to co-create together.